Plug is pulled and the fledgling seeds are transferred to a giant oven, known as a malting kiln. There, dry heat stops germination in its tracks.
The arm is actually turning and it's spreading the grains so that the layer is actually completely flat, so the air will go through in an even way.
The switch from cool moisture to dry heat may seem abrupt, but it's necessary to get the perfect colour and flavour needed for the beer. An error of a few degrees could throw the whole batch off.
Now we actually have a control room that controls all the temperatures and the moisture and everything.
The maltery also has its own laboratory, which is actually a mini brewery, to test the quality of each batch of malted barley.
What we see here is the germinating barley. You can see very clearly the small rootlets that are being formed after a few days of germination.
Because of natural ingredients like barley, even the best brewer is at the mercy of Mother Nature. This single maltery turns out over 900 tons of malted barley, enough to produce over 20 million bottles of beer. They'll need that and much more back at the Heineken brewery in Zoeterwoude, the Netherlands. 20 trucks arrive at the brewery every day, each carrying 30 tons of malted barley. The man responsible for every single batch that comes in is brewmaster Jean Dome, the maestro of the mega brewery.
Well, let's smell it. It's a light Pilsner malt. Yeah, it's okay for quality.
Jean has time-tested taste buds and an eye for the art of brewing.
We are smelling if it is fresh, because you taste if it is fresh or not fresh. If it is wet, it could be moldy. It should not be moldy.
Nice.
It's a very good quality. Total kernels, and it tastes very good as well. Yeah, it's a typical Pilsner malt. It's good.
You have to realize also that in the brewing industry, for a brewer, you have to deal with constant changes in the raw materials, because it's all natural products that we are talking about.